This video assumes that you have watched the playlist, the Quick Start playlist. It shows you how to set up a company in Manager.io. There are 8 videos. Most of them are less than 3 minutes. If you have not, I will leave a link to the category playlist below. Or you have a working knowledge of how to use Manager.io. If you do not, I recommend you watch the playlist first before watching this video. And again, I will leave a link in the description and pinned comments below. We're going to do a real world example. And we'll go through the process of setting up a business I'm calling Sally's Florist. And we're going to do this in a video series, but we're going to start at the very beginning. And in the very beginning, what we need to do is we need to add an owner. And we need to set up a bank account, and then the owner needs to put some money into that bank account. So this is going to require setting up a bank account, creating an equity account, and making an owner contribution in the equity account and in the bank account at the same time. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need some more tabs. If you see on the left hand side here, we have the summary, journal entries, reports, settings, and that's it. We got nothing else. What we need is we're going to need bank and cash accounts, and we're going to need receipts, and we're going to need capital accounts. We're going to update, and now we're back at summary. We see we now have an equity here, and there's really nothing else showing just yet. So the first thing let's do, let's go add a bank account. So new bank account. We're going to call this Sally's bank account, checking account. All right. And then we want to put Sally in here too as well. So we're going to go to capital accounts, and we're going to add Sally. And before we do that, let's rename the capital account to owner's equity. And we're going to do that by going to settings, chart of accounts, and we're going to the capital accounts edit tab, and we're going to name this owner's equity. And we're going to update. And you'll notice now we've renamed that owner's equity. Now, owner, Sally, needs to put some money into her bank account. She needs to do it as an owner's contribution. So we're going to do that by going to receipts, create a new receipt. Let's put Sally here. And it's going to be received into her bank account. This is owner's contribution. And we're going to go to owner's equity. And the capital account would be Sally. And it's going to be a sub account of funds contributed. And let's say $5,000. And we're going to create. Now, if we go look at our receipts tab, well, we're looking at it right now. You see we have a receipt of $5,000. You can always edit that if you need to, if you got it wrong. These accounts here, drawing, owner can take money out without being paid, funds contributed, what we just did, share of profits. This is all auto-generated by Manager.io as part of your capital accounts. If we go to the capital accounts, we see we have Sally in the capital accounts. Bank and cash accounts, we see we have Sally's bank account. Now you can add a new bank account, Sally's savings account. We're not going to do a credit card account just yet because it's done a little bit differently than bank. Even though it's going to be considered a bank or cash account, it's going to be done a little bit differently than how we did this bank account. So we're going to save that for another video. But if we go to summary, we see we have owner's equity is now $5,000, assets now $5,000. We have nothing over here yet. And that is how you get started and have the owner fund their business. So if this has helped you, how about leaving a like, leave a comment, subscribe. You'll really help this channel, and I need all the help I can get. And it costs you nothing, and I'm going to thank you in advance. You have a good day.